This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about hotel pans, specifically these Metlux steam table pans. We have the half-size rectangle stainless steel steam pan in the 2.5-inch depth, and then we also have the same size in the 4-inch depth. And you can see this one is solid, while the larger one in the back is perforated. So you've got those nice holes there. These are fantastic for maintaining the temperature of items, so whether you have them over hot steam and you're keeping foods hot, or you've got them over ice to keep stuff chilled, they're a fantastic one to have. The perforated ones are going to allow steam to pass through, so if you have items that need to be steamed for service, these are a great option. They all feature these great collapsible handles. You can see you can pull them up to easily lift pans out, and they slip back down there and they're unnoticeable, so they're kind of flush with the top of the pan during service. So they're a nice little feature that's going to make it easy for you to lift those pans up. The collection comes in both the 2.5-inch and 4-inch depth options, and then you have the option of solid or perforated pans. They're available in full, half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/9 sizes. There's also lids available for these pans as well, and those are sold separately, and you want to check the listing for those items. The size options allow you to really pick the container size you need for whatever you're serving. They have an anti-jam design that's going to keep them from getting compacted and stuck together when stacked and stored. And they also have great reinforced edges as well. Those are going to keep these really sturdy pans from warping. They're impact and scratch resistant, oven and freezer safe, and they're perfect for the service of both hot or cold foods. So these are great for any establishment looking for a durable, long-lasting steam table pan that's really going to stand up to heavy use during service.